Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys everything you need to know about the Pet Shard Forger. This is what it looks like. You'll need 1 gem egg, 1 legendary coal, 1 cleansing pet shard, and 15 million shekels. It only says blesses your pet with the wit of a smith, and that's very unclear. So basically, you're going to want to apply it to your pet. Its abilities later will go on a crafting table and reduce its crafting time by 44.74 seconds or so I've heard. And you're going to want to apply it to kind of like a pet without like the mutation. So let's not do it on that. Should I just do it on a bee? I don't know. I don't know what to do. I think I'm going to apply it to my bee instead. It's fine. I have more bees. So I'm going to just take out my pet shard, this one, and I'm just going to apply it to my honeybee. And this is what the pet will look like later once you've applied it. Super cute. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!